welcome to another episode of Aussie Boomers Travel. Today I'm going to talk about a lot of the things and travel hacks that we do that you can use for multiple functions, what we use to take with us on long trips, and also just some travel hacks and things that you can use for multiple things and the things that we take away with us, especially if we're going on a long trip. So I'll get stuck into it. As you can see, I wear glasses. So from your optometrist or the people that supply your glasses, we get these little travel packs, which are great. So it's got a cleaner, the lens spray wipe, and it's also got in this one a great little tool to tighten up the arms of your glasses. So this one is from Specsavers, but go check out your optometrist and see if they supply those. As you can see, I wear my glasses on my head a lot, which you shouldn't do. Consequently, that's why I need this to tighten them up while I'm away. So that's one thing that we use. The other thing that I would never ever travel without is a clothesline. So this clothesline is Pegless. You can normally get it at your travel shops. So as you can see here, it's a Pegless clothesline. I'll open it up and I'll show it to you. So it has two big suction cups, so you can put that anywhere, across the bath or in the bathroom or in the kitchen, etc. So it just hooks on to the suction cups. It just hooks on like that, and it's stretchy. And what you do is once you've washed your bits and pieces, you just open it up and put it in. And while you're out traveling, you can dry your clothes. So that's something I never travel without. It comes in a fairly small, lightweight container. And that's the other thing I wanted to mention too, is trying to keep things light. Like we're doing quite a few flights coming up, international flights, and the baggage limit is 20 kilos. So I've been traveling all my life. When I was younger, I travelled all over Europe constantly for 3 years. So these are just bits and pieces that I've picked up along the way. The other thing you should always take with you is an international driver's license. They don't cost very much. You can see here, this is one for Billy. So it's an international driver's license. We get ours from the RACV, but check it out on Google where you can get your international driver's license. They only last for a year, but it is another good form of photo ID. So international driver's license, again, lightweight, all packed away. It says on here, international driver's license, another good thing to take with you. The next thing I like to use is we all have to take adapters with us. So the adapters I like to get are ones that are multifunctional. So this one is an Australian adapter to Europe, but it also has two charging ports as well. So it has a multi-purpose function. Again, these are available where you might buy your suitcases or online. The next thing that I will be taking with me is a product from Dosi. I'll put the link in to a lot of these products downstairs. I'm not sponsored by any of them. I'm just finding that they're quite useful. So it comes in different shades and colours, but this is where I keep all of my vitamins and medicines that I have to take with me. So this is actually for 2 weeks, but I've actually doubled up. I fitted in 4 weeks worth of medication and vitamins in here. It just locks if there's some magnets here, and they just lock into place. Another good thing is that you could also use it if you were going out somewhere and you didn't want to take your big backpack and your big handbag, so it's a nice bag to take out for dinner. It also does have a zip pocket, which is great. So you can, like for in the mornings, if you're going down for breakfast, you can put your room key and your phone in there, a couple of credit cards, and you're ready. So that another product that has multiple purposes. The other thing that we are taking with us this time, and we're going to test this out, is a multi-purpose charger. So we got this one online. I'll unpack it for you so you can have a look. Okay. So this includes adapters for the USA, an Australian adapter, an EU adapter, and a UK plug. And you can see here, it shows you how it's charged, and you can put things on top. You can charge phones, tablets, etc. So I quite like this because we'll have quite a few things to be charging. So I'm just opening up the box here. It comes in a nice little travel pack, but the travel pack is heavy, so I don't think we'll be taking the travel pack with us this time, but it is a good storage device, but it's up to you. So I'm just going to unzip it here. So it comes like this. So I will pull this out. So as you can see here, oh, that's what I meant to tell you. It has like a little charger or a little holder that you can put your phone in. If you open this up, we are going to Europe, so I will just fit the European charger. So just let me put these back down, sorry. And I will fit the European charger, just goes in like that. Okay. It also has the 2 cords as per the picture. So there's the 2 cords and also the 2 charging bits here. And it does have a button as well because it's saying it's low charge. So I've got to make sure I charge this before I take away. So that's another good thing. Again, a multi-purpose thing, and you can also charge things sitting on top. So like I said, I won't be taking this because that's quite heavy. So I will be just taking this. So it is a Snap, a power pack, universal power pack by Snap. But I'll put the link in the bottom. Talking about links, if you're finding, and I hope you find some of this information helpful, or even some of the little bits of information helpful, if it is, please give us a like, subscribe, and thumbs up. The other thing that I will be taking with us is a first aid kit. So we always travel with a first aid kit. It's lightweight. We always travel with a clear plastic first aid kit bag. I bought this from Kmart, and it also came, before I filled it up, it came with these 2 little travel ones inside. So it sort of came like this. So you got 3 for the price of 1. And I'm sure we'll use these for cords and all those sort of things. So in our travel pack, we always have a crepe bandage. I always travel with Tiger Balm, which I find is really good for headaches, migraines, colds. The crepe bandage, we always do have a butterfly clip, a pack of Band-Aids. I'll get this out, I'll show you. I always travel with some oils. And the oils I travel with, I always do pack them up just in case they leak. But this one is a sinus blend. There's also, I got this from the Eco company, which you can buy. It's a travel pack. It's also rosemary, which is great for colds, flu, The sinuses one, obviously you can put it on your pillows, on your tissue, put a few drops in the shower if you get sinus, and lavender's fantastic. Rosemary's good for jet lag too, and lavender's fantastic if you get mosquito bites or an antiseptic. So that's a really good thing. So that's what we put in our travel pack as well. We always put in some Panadol, day and night, cold and flu tablets, some antibiotics, a sewing kit. We always travel with the sewing kit in our first aid kit, and some gastro stop. The other thing is some Listerine. We always mouthwash, doesn't have to be Listerine. We do travel with some heat packs, which is really good after a long day, or if you do get an achy back, some of those. Lemsip's really good. We also do travel with some alcohol wipes, and in here we have the some antiseptic cream with tea tree oil, and some little skin prep, which are ones that you can put if you get irritation from band-aids and things, you put that over there. So they're the things that we tend to travel with in our first aid kit, and this time I will be taking a couple of rat tests, very light, won't take up much room. There's 5, this is a nasal one, there's 5 in the box, and we'll be taking that as well. So they're some little tips and tricks that we use. The next video I'm going to do is some tips and tricks on packing. This time we're going away for quite a few months, and I am taking a smaller suitcase than I normally do, so stay tuned for that one. That one's coming soon, and like I said, give us a thumbs up, a like, if you found any of these sort of things useful. And I will put the product names, and if I can find links, I'll put links in the bottom. So safe travels, have fun, be grateful, love the world. See you from Aussie Baby Boomers Travel.